So here is the reveal, guys, of Mad Max lifted. Oh my God, it looks so good. Good morning and welcome to the channel. My brother is back. We are headed up to Roadrunner's Performance to get the truck lifted. That's right, Mad Max is getting lift, wheels, and all kinds of love today. What do you think?
Chapache.
Let's go ahead and do a cold start on both vehicles and get the wheels loaded up into Mad Max. You can see Mad Max looks awesome. Completely water polished and paint corrected. No swirl marks, no scratches, nothing. Completely spotless. Wheels loaded up into Mad Max so we can get out of here. We gotta go. Tie bar and Zegger, baby. Woo.
I love the tie bar.
The tie bar is awesome. All right, let's get out of here. So the truck is loaded, we're getting ready to get out of here. We're taking the Hellcat and Mad Max because I gotta have a way home. So how'd you like driving the Hellcat?
It was beautiful.
Did you get on it a little bit?
Of course. I had to keep up because that one asshole trucker cut me off. Did you see that shit?
Oh yeah, I know. That's all everybody does around here is cut everyone off.
Yeah, I fucking regretted it though.
Hellcat and Mad Max both here at Roadrunner's Performance. It is time to get inside, speak to Rob, and look at the kit that I have ordered, show you guys exactly what I'm doing. Mad Max is gonna be huge. Of course, we got the Super Duty over here, King Ranch. Very nice truck, Raptor right over there. If I had to choose between the two, I would definitely go with the Super Duty, but I'm a Duramax guy all day. What about you? Super Duty or Raptor?
Super Duty.
Definitely. Let's go in and see Rob and see what's going on and get ready to go to work on Mad Max. See, these are some fuel wheels right here. I like this style of wheel right here, but it's not quite as nice as the ones, in my opinion, that I ordered. The XD series wheels are right here. What do you think?
XDs are beautiful. Yo.
What's up, Rob?
About fucking time, for Christ's sake.
Say what's up.
What's up? It's about time. You're late.
I know, right? Traffic. We had to bring two cars. Because we gotta go home tonight at some point, right?
Yeah.
Unless you want us to live here.
Yeah, no. So
We're gonna move in?
Oh man, we should just live here. Yeah.
So we got the wheels off. You can see here we're going to work. The lift is beginning on Mad Max. What do you think, Cody?
Oh, can't wait to see what she looks like.
It's gonna be awesome. I cannot wait myself. Wheels off, things are beginning. I'm gonna go with an 8-inch tip or a 10-inch. What do you guys think? 8-inch tip or 10-inch? Leave a comment below because I'm definitely gonna be putting a tip on there. Oh, hell no. I don't want my tip to be way out there. That's stupid. That's stupid advice from Cody. The wheels are getting ready to get tires. And the lift is going on. I went with the upgraded Fox suspension, of course. The 2.0 Performance Series shocks. It's a nice upgrade on the BDS kit. Nothing wrong with the NX2 series shocks, but Fox are definitely better. My truck was missing the steering stabilizer, so I got NX2 series premium shock absorber from BDS for the actual steering mount. Now, if you guys don't know what that is or where it goes up here on the steering rack to stabilize it. It mounts right here on the frame and goes right over here to the steering rack. That's really gonna help out with stabilizing the steering at high speeds, going off-road, especially with bump steer, going over bumps. It's a must-have for a lifted off-road truck. If your vehicle doesn't have the mounts already on the frame, you can get a kit that comes with the brackets, which will really help out with the installation, but I highly recommend getting these shocks for sure, or this shock for your steering rack. It's really gonna help out. And of course, here we got the non-torsion drop brackets that go on the differential here. You can see that he's pulling the diff down now to get the brackets mounted, cut the frame and notch it so that this will fit with the differential lowered. These brackets and the other bracket mount in here are gonna go on. This way everything will bolt up and the differential will be lowered, and the torsion bars will stay at stock level height. They will not be a torsion drop like some kits are. Also, it comes with brake line extensions that are braided. This way you're not putting stress on those brake lines. Now, the brake line in the rear on the axle housing gets bent up a little bit on the tab. You don't gotta replace anything in the rear as far as brake lines are. You're just gonna bend the tab on top of the pumpkin in the rear. This way there's not so much stress. That's what BDS wants. But for the front, they give you the extensions with all the washers, which is really cool. So you can see here, this is the diff drop. You can see it's been cut. This diff drop gets mounted up. Then the differential mounts to this with adapters. And then of course, the non-torsion drop adapters get mounted on the ends with lower control arms. So it's definitely coming together pretty nicely. So here we are in Roadrunners Performance. Big shout out Roadrunners Performance here in Woodbridge, New Jersey. Almost everything in stock for your truck. Fuel wheels, tires, Rockstar, XD, Moto Metal, step guards for your truck, wind visors, tonneau covers, insulators. Believe it or not, I actually started coming here for the engine oil. They have Redline, AMS oil, Royal Purple, all the goodies. Check this out. All kinds of stuff for your truck. Definitely check them out. You guys got to check them out on the web. Roadrunners Performance. All kinds of stuff here, guys, to take care of your truck. This is where I actually come to buy my engine oil for my BMW, my Hellcat, my Durangos, as well as the truck. So definitely got to check them out. Fuel pumps, throttle bodies, exhaust tips, all kinds of stuff. Shocks, a lot of LED bulbs and headlight conversions, stuff like that. Light bars. It's a really awesome shop. Definitely come by and check out Rob. Say Corey sent you a drive with him. Definitely come out here. He'll take care of you in your truck. All kinds of deliveries coming in today. There's my wheels sitting out here. We're gonna check on the truck and see what's happening. I must say the BDS brackets and mounts are very, very sturdy. Well, day number 2 here at the Jersey Shore. It is scorching hot. I am headed to pick up Mad Max. The lift is complete. However, my brother's not with me, so I have to drive the Hellcat up there and then pick up a trailer and tow the Hellcat back. So I finally made it here, Roadrunners Performance, and they have a really awesome Silverado 1500 getting Bushwhacker fender flares, and I think they look badass. Take a look. They definitely add character to the truck, that's for damn sure. They're actually putting them on right now. Without the fender flares, the factory wheels, in my opinion, are probably the nicest I've seen from the factory of any of the 3 here in America. They're better than any of the wheels that come on Ram or F-150. I love them. It's just with the fender flares, they look really skinny. Even has the black vinyl right here. I just noticed that. Looks really good. Well, I don't know who you are, who owns this truck, but if you see this video, your truck is really awesome. I love it. Got to get it lifted though. That's the next thing. Got to put at least a 4-inch or a 6-inch lift on it. That'll make it even better. 33 by 12, 50, 20. Those might be the tires actually for that truck. So that's pretty cool. Would have went with a 35, but he's not lifted, so that would be pretty hard to do without a lift. 33s are perfect.
he doesn't intend to lift the truck at all. Got some awesome Jeeps over here. There's Rob's Jeep right there. This is a really sick Jeep. Definitely gotta talk with Rob about the specs. Love the wheels and tires. He also has the Raptor that I showed you guys in the previous video when I was here dropping the truck off. Very awesome duo if you ask me. A Jeep Off-Road Wrangler Sahara and a Raptor. Well, I'm just sitting here waiting for the arrival of Mad Max from the alignment shop. I cannot wait to see how big it is. This is going to be spectacular. Should be here in the next 5 to 10 minutes. It is going to be so damn epic, damn huge. It looks so good. I'm going to show you guys. It looks fantastic. Oh my God, it looks so good. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty badass. Okay, so Mad Max looks awesome. I got the trailer set up to tow the Hellcat home. First time towing in the Duramax. You can see it looks badass. It is huge. Only one thing I'm gonna fix is the keys on the front. The torsion keys are cranked all the way down as low as it'll go. I gotta crank that up and get 1 more inch out of the front, and then everything will be perfect. It is badass. It rides so comfortable. It's just much better than it was before. So I finally got the tow hitch set up. You can see, got the adapter for the wire harness on the tow hitch. I got a 7 3/4 drop, almost an 8-inch drop. The trailer's not 100% level. I got the insert adapter because this is a 2.5-inch shank, and I've got the 2-inch, so I've got a 2-inch to 2.5-inch adapter on the inside. Everything's locked, chained up, ready to go. Yeah, everything is ready to tow the Hellcat home. You can see I'm 6 foot tall, and this is eye level. You can see how tall the Duramax is. It is time to get the Hellcat loaded on the trailer and tow it home. So as you can see, I got everything strapped up, and when you're towing a vehicle, you want to make sure that when you strap these down, that you've got some sort of coverage on the outside and the inside of the tire, just like this, so it grabs the side as well as the back and the other side, which is towards the inside of the fender liner. This way the tire can't move, and it's got more of a cupping on the tire. This way it straps it in, and once the tires are strapped in, you can see this security peg will stop the tires from rolling back. Also, I've secured the vehicle to the trailer with an emergency chain underneath, and I've strapped that as tight as I can to the subframe, so if these straps let go and the tires bounce over those rods, it's going to prevent the car from shooting off the trailer. This vehicle weighs 4,500 pounds and the trailer's 22, so this is about a 6,700 pound load, which is just over half of the tow capacity of the Duramax. Just to think, that my truck could tow 2 trailers and 2 cars, just about. Very strong truck, I'll tell you what. But everything is fastened and ready to go. It's time to hit the road. So just to give you guys an idea of how strong a diesel engine is while towing, I'm just gonna let off the brake. I'm not even gonna touch the gas. And it's coasting and pulling all that weight. 6,000 pounds, it's moving without even touching the gas. It's absolutely insane. So Mad Max is doing very well. It pulls the Hellcat with ease. That's 6,800 pounds back there, and I can still do 0 to 60 faster than my old Honda Civic would. It's absolutely badass and exciting to see how much power and potential Mad Max truly has, and all the while looking totally awesome at the exact same time. But I'm hoping you guys liked the lift kit that I chose, the BDS 6.5-inch lift, 5-inch blocks in the rear, 6.5-inch lift in the front. Also my wheels, the fuel sledges, 20x12, -44 for that aggressive offset with 35s. Now, as far as my tires, Nitto Ridge Grapplers 35s, 13.5 wide, which are perfect for the 20x12 fuel sledge wheels. I think it looks fantastic. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. Also, I just want to apologize, guys, that a lot of this footage was at night, but my brother wasn't here to help me, and the truck wasn't ready till 2 hours later than expected. At 6 o'clock, it was almost dark, and it was rainy. Then I had to go get the trailer and the tow hitch set up so I could bring the Hellcat home, since a certain somebody wasn't here to help me. Yeah, that's right, my brother, not here to help. But I still got the job done. Mad Max brought the Hellcat home. It was freaking awesome. Also, don't forget, guys, check out the store, drivewaydemons.com. Get your t-shirts, your hoodies, and the key tags that are new and available in the store. Support the channel, drivewaydemons.com. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. What do you guys think of today's video and Mad Max being lifted like the badass truck that it is and getting the Hellcat home safely? For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching all my videos. That is going to do it for the lift kit today on Mad Max. Lots of stuff coming, guys. Stay tuned until the next video. Share this with all your truck buddies. Anybody who loves trucks has got to see this video. Take care, guys, and have a great night.